Hey guys, I'm Dustin, I'm the Inked Angler, and this is going to be a more vlog style video. Me and my girlfriend traveled to Ithaca, New York to do some sightseeing and to do some fishing, and we really enjoyed ourselves, and we hope you guys tag along and enjoy yourselves too. Thanks. Hey guys, in this video we're going to New York for a few days. It's her birthday. And we're going to do some fishing, and we're going to go to a petting zoo, and we're going to see some cool stuff. So tag along and enjoy. Peace out.
I see him. Holy shit! Oh my gosh! Dude, he's just walking around everything,
bro. That is a dog, right?
Yeah.
Holy f***, this dog almost killed me, bro. We've made it to our first location.
This guy's huge.
Unfortunately, the petting zoo could not accommodate us, so it was a quick stop.
Oh.
That was a memorial thing. After a 4-hour drive, the first thing in mind was food. We ended up stopping by this place called Viva for some Mexican food. Oh, a little square as well. I've never seen a square case of food.
Can't fit you in the whole thing.
I'll bust this bad boy open real quick. Diagonal.
Just small.
When it comes to food, Ithaca can be pretty disappointing. There goes nothing. After a quick stop for coffee, it was finally time to fish. All right, waiting for check-in to be available,
at our Airbnb. So we're stopping over at this place called 6 Mile Creek. Fishing up there would probably be good, but we'll check out down here first. We're just gonna drop it in right here, see what happens. Wow, this place is beautiful. I didn't have any luck at the base of the waterfall, so we decided to go upstream and above it. You got a hit? Yeah, bring him up.
First fish being 22. Yup.
He's got some kind of condition. He's got little specks all over him. Unfortunate. Take care, buddy. This looks like such a great spot right here. Here goes nothing. Oh, got a nibble. Throw it in on that side. Oh, got one. A little guy. First catch of the day. He also has those little black spots on him. Oh, beautiful. That's exactly where I want to be. Oh, had a little bite. He had it in its mouth and I ripped it out. He wasn't very big though. There's one. Oh, spit it. It's a cool little run here. I just got two. Yeah, two little smallmouths. Looks like I'm coming up on a pretty nice hole over here. I'll just beat me to it. See if there's access on this side while she gets to the other side over there. Oh, looks like I got one. They're looking like they're all about the same size. I'll wet my hands since I can. Sure. Whoa! Alright, he got out. I was going to give you guys a release, but he decided otherwise. Alright, I see some little fish in there. Nothing too significant. Nice little breach right there. Oh! All right, there's a big one. There's a big one. All right, decent sized smallmouth right there. Let's get them unhooked. Pop that out. Let's go in the water. Where is it?
Straight out in front. See, he has a big black spot on his face.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Isn't that cool?
That's a cool one. Oh look at this Sunny.
Whoa! Is he hurt? Oh, I think his fin is broken. Dude, he's big. Oh.
How big is that thing? I don't think it's that big. That Sunny was huge though.
Yeah.
Yeah, not interested at all. Pretty cool marking on its head, yeah.
Oh, I feel so sad for this Sunny.
Why?
I think his fin is broken.
No, I think he's trying to spawn.
Missing the one fin though.
I think he's trying to spawn. I could probably catch him with the net.
Don't hurt him.
Oh my god, it's huge. Hold my... Dude, that is a huge Sunny. Look at that. About the same, bigger than my hand. That is crazy. There you go, bud. I'm not gonna mess with you. He's fine. I think it's just spawning. There's one. Got one. Looks like it's a creek chub. Just saw a flash in this little hole here. Let's see what happens. Oh, definitely got nibbled on. Let's try that again. Nah, it's comfy. There's one. Let him go right here. Oh! Go the other way, bro. That's so cool. So you want to kind of throw it onto the rocks, like right here, and have it like tumble its way down, and you're just jigging it, like giving it little pops. Look, 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 you see it go for it? Yeah. That was cool. You could definitely get them with that little one. Yeah, there are crayfish everywhere. This is crazy looking. Holy smokes, there's a monster in there for sure. I'm so surprised I didn't get hit there. Got something on. Little guy. Looks like a rock bass. These rock bass don't really fight too much. Once they're hooked, they're like, all right, I got. They all kind of have like this black specks on it. All right, let's see what we got. This guy's bigger. That's a huge rock bass, dude. Wow. Huge rock bass. Pretty sure it's a rock bass. Look at all these crayfish. Holy. What is it? Wow, look at this. This is insane. Surprisingly, there were no fish above the waterfall, so we just enjoyed the views instead. Alright guys, I am making my way back to the car. I think it was quite a successful day, especially for a brief little trip like that. Got on some creek chubs, some smallmouths, and some rock bass. 6 Mile Creek.
Oh! Scared him.
Stay tuned for day 2, and as always, stay thick and juicy.